A 4-port gigabit Ethernet adapter expands wired connectivity, delivers stable high-speed networking, reduces latency, and supports efficient multitasking for home and office setups. My today's video is about top 5 best 4-port gigabit Ethernet adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at All-Lucky USB to Ethernet adapter. The All-Lucky USB-C to Ethernet adapter is a practical solution for users who need both reliable wired networking and additional USB connectivity from a single compact device. Its combination of 3 USB 3.0 ports and a gigabit Ethernet port makes it easy to connect keyboards, flash drives, external storage, and other peripherals while maintaining a fast, stable internet connection. Supporting speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second with a Cat6 cable, it significantly reduces lag during video calls, online gaming, and large file downloads. The built-in convertible USB-A and USB-C connector adds impressive flexibility, allowing it to work with both older and modern laptops without requiring separate adapters. USB 3.0 transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second ensure quick movement of large files, improving productivity for work and study. Broad compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, and Chrome OS makes it suitable for almost any setup. Overall, this adapter offers excellent versatility, dependable performance, and great value for professionals, students, and everyday users. Now our second product is HireCool USB-C Hub Ethernet 8-in-1. This 8-in-1 USB-C hub is an excellent productivity upgrade for MacBook users and anyone with a USB-C laptop. It transforms a single USB-C port into a complete workstation by adding 4K HDMI, gigabit Ethernet, 3 USB 3.0 ports, SD and micro SD card readers, and 100W power delivery pass-through charging. The 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output delivers sharp visuals for presentations, dual-screen multitasking, and high-quality streaming, while the gigabit Ethernet connection provides faster, more reliable internet than Wi-Fi for video conferencing and large downloads. The 3 USB 3.0 ports make it easy to connect multiple accessories simultaneously without sacrificing speed. Content creators will appreciate the built-in SD and TF card readers for quick photo and video transfers, reducing workflow interruptions. The 100W PD charging feature keeps your laptop powered while every port remains available for use. Compact, travel-friendly, and widely compatible with MacBook, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and other USB-C laptops, this hub delivers outstanding convenience, dependable performance, and exceptional value for work, study, and everyday computing. Our third product is Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter is a versatile hub that combines fast wired networking with convenient USB expansion in a compact, travel-friendly design. Its gigabit Ethernet port delivers stable speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second when paired with a Cat6 or higher cable, making it ideal for video conferencing, online gaming, 4K streaming, and large file transfers. 3 USB 3.0 ports provide up to 5 gigabits per second data transfer, allowing you to connect external drives, keyboards, mice, and other peripherals without sacrificing performance. The plug-and-play design minimizes setup time, while the braided nylon cable and premium aluminum housing improve durability and heat dissipation for long-term reliability. LED indicators offer quick status monitoring and troubleshooting, adding to its user-friendly experience. Broad compatibility with MacBooks, iPads, Dell XPS, Surface devices, Chromebooks, tablets, and smartphones makes it suitable for a wide range of users. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support, this adapter delivers dependable performance, excellent build quality, and impressive value for everyday productivity. Now number 4, Acer USB to Ethernet adapter. This dual USB-A/USB-C Ethernet hub is a practical all-in-one accessory for users who need reliable networking and expanded USB connectivity across multiple devices. Its dual connector design works seamlessly with both USB-C and traditional USB-A laptops, tablets, and smartphones, eliminating the need for separate adapters. The Gigabit Ethernet port delivers stable wired speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second with a Cat6 cable, making it an excellent choice for remote work, online meetings, HD streaming, gaming, and large downloads. Three USB 3.0 ports provide a shared bandwidth of up to 5 gigabits per second, allowing fast file transfers while connecting essential peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external storage. The plug-and-play setup makes installation effortless on most modern operating systems, while broad compatibility ensures flexibility for home, office, and travel use. Built with a durable aluminum alloy housing, it offers efficient heat dissipation and dependable long-term performance. Although it doesn't include HDMI, USB-C data, or charging support, it excels as a compact, high-quality networking and USB expansion solution with outstanding everyday reliability. And our last choice is StarTech.com USB 4 10GB Ethernet adapter. This USB 4 to 10G Ethernet adapter is a premium networking solution for professionals who require ultra-fast, reliable wired connectivity. Compatible with USB 4, Thunderbolt 5, Thunderbolt 4, and Thunderbolt 3 devices, it upgrades modern laptops and workstations with a high-performance 10GB RJ45 port, while remaining backward compatible with 5G, 2.5G, 1G, and 100 megabits per second networks. Its full 10 gigabits per second bandwidth is ideal for 4K and 8K video editing, cloud-based workflows, NAS access, virtualization, and transferring massive files with minimal latency. The detachable 50cm USB 4 cable provides flexible installation, while advanced networking features such as Wake on LAN, auto-negotiation, and N-base-T ensure seamless deployment in professional environments. The compact aluminum enclosure offers excellent heat dissipation through silent passive cooling, making it dependable during extended workloads. Bus-powered operation enhances portability without requiring an external power supply. Backed by lifetime technical support and designed for enterprise-grade reliability, this adapter is an outstanding investment for IT professionals, creators, and businesses demanding maximum network performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.